Hi and welcome to my woodland forest studio. I'm Lori Taylor and this is Book Arts with Lori Taylor. Welcome on this rainy day as I finish the project that was a collaboration with my business partner Lisa Ramlow. The two of us have a huge love for the forest and for woodworking, and that's why we work so well together. Lisa's workshop is right next door to my studio, and she had created some resin pieces that were recycled petris. And so she gave me this little Hershey Kiss aqua resin thing with a little chocolate colored walnut top and some aqua colored oak leaves that were resin. And she said, okay, there are these pieces, what can you do? What can you make out of it? And of course, I have to make a book out of everything. That's what I love. It's like a grown-up toy. So immediately I saw that it would make a really cool hornbook or a nightlight hornbook that's mixed media with resin and wood and copper. So come on along and see how I took the pieces Lisa gave me and created this one-of-a-kind oak book. So I have my collaged board, my copper to match the copper holder for the petri, the resin petri. I have resin petri oak leaves. I angled them, I ground down the edge, and then have gloss gel medium holding them on. And then from my own backyard, the trees that we have, the root balls, I had found this interesting piece to put on here to add to the flow. And yesterday on a walk, I found an acorn and caps on the North Country Trail yesterday, and so they were really pretty. I used a knife to cut the acorn in half and then to shape the other acorn so I can glue it down. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I have cheesecloth on here, the cheesecloth that I dyed kind of a coppery color, and that will simulate the mycelium, the root structure of the trees that connect in the forest. And I'm going to add some moss, but what I have is my Ralph Waldo Emerson quote, and it's on some paper, some heavy paper, and I spattered it. So I took the quote and I'm going to place it out and put Ralph's name on there, but the creation of 1,000 forests is in one acorn. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The Spirit of the North Woods. My hornbook inspired resin collaboration with Lisa Ramlow. Turned out pretty awesome. And it glows. Nightlight, the spirit of the woods. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this book project go together. I think it went really well with Lisa's work and with mine. We've worked together before on things, but this one was really special and it was a lot of fun to make it into a book, an extra challenge collaborative piece. So remember to like, share, and comment and subscribe. And stay tuned for more crazy wild nature books. You never know what's going to come out of this forest studio. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Mm-hmm.